Ang mga global food store chains, McDonald's, Jollibee, Wendy's, Shakey's, Pizza Hut, even Starbucks, gawa ko yan, gawa namin. From the 1970s. Pati Taco Bell and Subway, Krispy Kreme, Dunkin' Donuts, gawa ko yan, gawa namin yan. The 1970s. Here in the Philippines, Chowking, yung nga Jollibee, Greenwich, Mang Inasal, Goldilocks is ours, Horace Tamayos, and Red Ribbon, Horace Tamayos. Ang Burger King, yan ang binibigay sa akin, yan daw only, pero sabi ko, no, I already owned McDonald's. And I still remember Wendy's, Shakey's, and Pizza Hut, we also created. Sa huli, parang sinasabi nila, yun na lang sa akin, Burger King and Burger King. Sa may Marcos Highway, dyan sa may Santolan, Pasig, o sa unahan pa. Pero alam ng mga taga dyan, mga Asians dyan na tumira sa mga condominiums dyan, mga townhomes dyan, and subdivisions dyan sa Marcos Highway, to Sumulong, to Masinag, na I own Wendy's and Shakey's. Sa akin sila nagpapaalam. 1970s. Starbucks, gawa ko rin yan. Gawa namin. Howard Schultz went to me at Espana Boulevard in the 1970s. He would meet me at Espana Boulevard in the 1970s for him to be CEO of Starbucks. And then he also would meet me at Quezon Avenue, and then I was able to reach Masbate to talk about Starbucks ownership, again, CEO-ship for him to be CEO. And yun nga, maging top coffee company yung Starbucks. Maraming interested dyan, American, British. So sa American, that would be Howard Schultz, or was he actually Spanish? And then sino pa interesado sa Starbucks? Princess Anne, the British monarchy, Annie Fried of ABBA, na sometimes ay magkamukha lang sa akin yan, si Princess Anne and Annie Fried. Then in the end, sabi ko, dyan sila si Princess Anne o Annie Fried sa Krispy Kreme. And then sabi nila, dyan lang ako sa Krispy Kreme with them. Pero siyempre, puro gawa namin eh. Kaya, i-own talaga nila. So for a time, nangyari yan, Krispy Kreme. Yung mga gawa namin, mga Krispy Kreme, coffee shops and bakery and pastries. Krispy Kreme. Yan yung sa Fairview Terraces, Krispy Kreme. Gawa na yan 1970s, mid-70s. Sa akin yung Fairview Terraces. Sa amin yan. Diyan yung Krispy Kreme na diyan ko minimit sina Princess Anne and Annie Fried about Krispy Kreme. So gawa ko yan. Fairview Terraces, sa akin din yan. Not only SM Fairview. Because the whole SM Showmart Department Stores group, I own. Gawa ko yung mga designs namin yan. SM Showmart Department Store. So SM Fairview, sa akin yan. And then Fairview Terraces. And then SM Tungko, SM San Jose del Monte. Magawa rin namin. I own that too. I was the boss there. At SM San Jose del Monte and SM Tungko. They knew me as the owner of SM Showmart in the 1970s. Those at SM Fairview. Lalo na ang mga officials dyan sa China Bank ng SM Fairview. And then SM San Jose del Monte. 1970s. Ang pinakauna naming SM department stores ay sa SM Cubao. Kasi yan ang pinaganda namin. And then SM Ayala. Horace Naga, wife, ang nag-transaction dyan, o may kakilala dyan na kasama dyan sa SM Ayala, EDSA. Yan yung sinasabi nilang ginagawa nila. Project nila upon may permission. Yan sila, Demp na Do, Naga. Pero, project ko yan, the whole SM group is mine. Then SM Center Point, gawa rin namin. SM North EDSA. SM North EDSA, merong may problem dyan, pero alam naman nila, the whole SM Department Store, SM Shoemart Group, sa amin. And then Trinoma, gawa ko yung Trinoma, sa amin din yan. Alam ng maraming groups ko yun, naman naging high school classmates ko. It's about franchises, branches for them, and to install or to put as business there in Trinoma. Yan yung mga, meron na sila mga Jollibee, McDonald's, Wendy's, franchises. So, dyan yung SM Trinoma. We own SM Shoemart. Pagdating naman sa Marcos Highway, front of Santolan, Pasig, yung SM Marikina na yan, gawa rin namin yan. Project ko rin yan. Alam ko yan, of course. 1970s, merong movie dyan, shoot ng Mission Impossible. Tom Cruise, Dead Reckoning yata. Mission Impossible, Dead Reckoning. Dyan yan sa SM Marikina. Gawa na yan, o naumpisa na. Kahit mahalos tapos na. And then, yung sa movie na yan, yung escape dyan ni Tom Cruise was baya dyan sa Santolan, Pasig, Marcos Highway. Parang vacant field pa yan. Field airport, airfield. Diyan yung escape na may nag-aantay na airplane or mga previously helicopters and then airplanes or fighter jets. O airplane yata that time sa shooting na yan ng Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning. So alam ko yan, I remember that. SM Marikina was already built in the 1970s. And then if Hansi wanted to prove na is part of SM Group. Yan yung sa SM Taytay na project niya, pinapagawa niya. SM Taytay. Maybe he didn't know na I know about SM Taytay project o construction. But of course I know. I own SM Shoemart Group. Yan yung sa SM Taytay. Sa unahan niya ng SM Taytay, may mga magkakalaban niyang groups before, if I may say about it, mga Japanese and Thailanders. Mga part pa ng Cold War nila, na pinag-patch up na lang. Yan yung sa SM Taytay. So I know about SM Taytay. Hansi might say na sa iba, other people na, I didn't know about SM Taytay construction project. But of course, I know. Sabi ko. Kasi yung mga Henry C. Hansi na yan, na SM Shoemart na sinasabi na sa Carriedo, pinakauna nila SM Shoemart, sa akin yan. Building namin yan, 2-story lang yan. 2-story lang yan na building. Actually, ang harap niya dito sa may Plaza Miranda sa Quiapo. And then yung Carriedo na yan, SM Carriedo na yan, tawag ko dyan dati Avenida. Avenida tawag ko yung SM Avenida. Buwan namin. Ayaw pa nga yung pangalanan niya na SM Avenida, or SM Carriedo, or SM Shoemart. And then yung Avenida ngayon, ang tawag dyan dati SM, Top Avenue yan. Avenida, Top Avenue dyan. Yan yung Carriedo, o medyo sa other parallel, Avenida yan. Kasi ibang groups kasi noon, may mga minamali na yung Avenida, tawag niya Top Avenue. O kaya baka yan nga pinakaunang Top Avenue. Diyan nga talaga ang Top Avenue. Hindi yung sa Top Avenue ngayon na doon sa may